Hi, I'm Nancy Best, and just in time for summer, we've got a beautiful new listing with some outdoor areas that are amazing. Gorgeous pool with a hot tub, fire pit area, cutting green, tons of extra concrete patio, and a covered patio with solar shades. We're in Salado, Texas at 11010 La Paloma Loop, and I can't wait to show you the rest of this 4-bedroom, 3-bath house with custom features throughout. From the living room, you can see that we have the plantation shutters. They are throughout the home to highlight the backyard. We've got a nice big open kitchen with an island, lots of storage and natural wood cabinets. Formal dining area with a nice wood inlay in the ceiling. And back to the primary. Again, plantation shutters, lots of natural light, covered ceilings. Another favorite feature in this house is a large primary closet with all of these great built-ins. One of the 4 full bedrooms has an ensuite bathroom. So you've got a spot for your guests to have a private bath. The laundry room has extra built-in cabinetry and a full sink. There are so many great customized features in this house, but a few things I just want to talk about that you can't always see. All of the floor is tile, there's no carpet. There is a full HEPA-Air Filter System in the house that keeps the air purified, and also a full house water filtration system as well as water softener. So you must come out and take a look at this house in Salado and make it your next home. Okay, just kidding. I wanted to show you this great backyard one more time. And if that isn't enough, there's full solar shades around this entire porch. So all the way around, you can have shade.